better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
We sailed from Cairns, France to the Balearic Islands of Spain. There were lots of fish jumping out of the water. We even saw a shark maybe 50 feet behind our boat. It was so cool.
Life on a sailboat.
Yeah. Actually, I think it might be calming a little bit. It's a lot better than it was.
No more sharks out?
None that jumped onto the boat yet. You guys having fun down there?
We got some choppy waves as we were nearing Mallorca, and one crashed over the front of the boat and it just soaked our bed. Thankfully we weren't in it at the time, but we definitely need to look into something to seal it better for the Atlantic crossing.
Yeah, definitely.
Mallorca's coast is absolutely breathtaking, but it kind of reminds me of a super valley where I feel like once you're out here somewhere. Tip, look at the caves behind you.
You see the little trench thing at the top?
We met our friends Chris and Carola from Blue Wave in Port Andrax, which is the coolest little town. It is so nice. They have all these cafes along the waterfront, and we enjoyed a beautiful sunset there. It was just breathtaking.
We took a day trip to Palma, and I had so much fun exploring it. Fountain, and it has no water, so yeah. We just arrived to this really pretty castle, so basically, yeah.
It was really cool seeing the Gothic cathedral from the 13th century. The architecture was just stunning.
It was amazing. They had these like pillars going every which way. They had these arches, and they had these stairs that were just like way up at the top. They were so cool. We don't know where they went or what they were doing, but they were just, it was just stunning.
Yeah, it was just really cool to see.
I was shocked at how gorgeous Palma was. It was really charming and easygoing. We spent the entire day getting lost on the winding streets, and we found these really cool ancient Arab baths from the time of the Moorish rule, surrounded by this nice, cool little garden.
It was getting quite hot out, so we popped into this adorable little cafe filled with greenery, and they had amazing drinks. There's so many options, I don't even know which one I'm gonna get. I've kind of got like two that I'm looking at the moment. There's the Temple Special Lemonade and the Jamaican Chi-Chi. They both sound so good.
That is so good.
Refreshing. I love all the greenery.
We headed to Ibiza with our friends from Blue Wave.
Morning. We're just leaving Mallorca and we're heading to Ibiza. Ibiza. Whatever it's called, we're there. The water in Ibiza was so beautiful. It checked everything off my box of a perfect swimming spot. Had clear water, good depth, lots of sea life, really warm water, and a nice sandy bottom.
really nice.
It's really nice.
There's so many little fish. Come here, Cutty, you want to hit the bottom? Beautiful sand bottom. Like nice sand. Fish are just right here with us.
Then we continued on to St. Anthony.
Mason's down there working on the videos. Kids are working on some schooling, other little projects. Oh, I didn't notice that there's a windmill here before. It's like right on the ocean. It's very pretty here. I'm excited to see what Ibiza is all about.
We absolutely loved our time in the Balearic Islands, and like usual, there was just not enough time. But it was time for us to head off to mainland Spain, and other than some choppy water, it was a pretty good sail.
Yeah, good winds. It was nice.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Little rocky, but pretty good. We got some nice winds for a change. 17 knots, perfect. Waves are slowing down a little bit. It's going to be a nice sail, I think.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.